I'm Wyatt, and welcome to the Sharbait channel, our slime video. Like, subscribe while you're at it, and turn on the notification bell. And I'm Wyatt. You all know my sister Nella. Here's Haven and Emma. They're gonna join us. So I have blue mica powder, dark blue or whatever, but it's powder that changes the color and green glitter. Nella, you tell the camera what you have.
I have light blue and the sequins and a glitter.
And then Haven, what do you have? Ooh, so pretty. Some purple and some red and gold and silver. And Emma, how about you? What do you have today?
I have rose, red, and pink heart glitters.
Pink heart glitters. Oh, these are going to be so cute. All right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to get started. I'm going to help the kids put some glue in their bowls, and then we're going to show you how they mix it all up and make their colors and make some slime. Let's make some slime.
We got glue in our bowls. We have all of the colors. We have the mica powder, which is basically like food coloring, and the instructions for slime, baking soda, contact solution or activator, clear glue or any type of glue really. And now I'm gonna dump my mica powder in. A little goes a long way. Now everybody start mixing up their colors.
And then what's next? What are we going to do next after we get all the color mixed in?
And we're not new at this. We know how to do it.
Is everybody happy with their colors?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Okay.
There's a lot of things.
Yeah, it'll break up as we mix it in too. So pretty. Nice.
Look at mine.
You guys are all stirring so gentle so that we don't make a mess that moms are gonna have to clean up. Mm-hmm.
The slime will be fun.
Ooh, and if we look at it, I don't know if we can get that on there, but you see how it's kind of got that really metallic-y shine and shimmer to it there. Nice, look at that. Ooh, and vanilla, what do you got going there? Ooh, also very metallic-y. It looks like the ocean for sure. So pretty. Okay, is everybody happy with their color?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start adding some activator, right?
A
A little at a time, and then,
after you're done, put baking soda. Mix.
yeah.
And then once it starts to clump together really well, and it's starting to get sticky, not like grippy like this, but sticky like chunks, you can start using your hands with it. And we'll show you guys that later on in the video. They already mixed them, but you put in some and then mix. If it doesn't start clumping together a little more, then you can go on with baking soda. Now, I'm gonna mix it together. But it's not yet.
Ooh, look at the shimmer on that, Haven. Ooh, how about yours? Ooh, it looks like the ocean.
Mine looks like a dark purple and a light purple.
It does. Ooh, look at that pretty pink. Also very shimmery now from that mica powder that we used. These are gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we need to maybe add a little bit more activator because we started with a lot of glue. We started with probably a little over a cup of glue each. Not too much, crazy.
I'm a crazy
Wyatt?
psycho. They have added their activator. You add a little more
or if it doesn't start to clump up.
And next, baking soda. That's good. There's still more, but I'll figure out if this doesn't start to clump. And you can put sparkles and food coloring in.
Yeah, we'll start to add that soon. So let's
Which
get the
we
baking
will
soda.
add, don't worry.
Yes, we will. That's next.
That's next up in line. Look how thick my slime is. That's how thick we're gonna do it until we put some glitter in.
So everybody
you
can
don't
add.
wanna have glitter, you don't have to, but we're gonna put some in. Well, yeah. And then you mix. Keep on mixing. And then if the glitter doesn't show up, you can either decide if you want to keep it the way it is or add more. Now you can see that it's almost ready for hands.
Get in there.
Almost ready to start mixing in with your hands.
Yeah, I'd say yours is.
And don't be afraid if it's a little sticky because, well,
That's part of making
that's
slime.
what it should be. Yeah.
Yep. And when it's still really sticky on your hands, Wyatt, how do we make it less sticky?
What you do is you baking soda.
Yeah.
I
A
forgot.
little bit of baking soda helps make it so that it's not near as sticky. Oh, you got some swirls happening there, Haven? Ooh, you sure can. Yours is still a little bit sticky there now, and maybe yours too, Haven. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a quick break, and I'm gonna help the girls here get theirs ready by adding a bit more baking soda, and we'll be back.
We have our slimes, and this is how mine turned out. What happened? Look how. JK. Fully big slime. Okay, we're gonna teach you some skills. So what one of them is like do that, then lift it up, stretch your fingers out to make a bubble. Then try that. But that's like it'll take a little practice.
Okay.
Some rule. There's none. Just don't eat the slime and don't wear your best clothing while you're making slime, or else you'll get it on your shirt or pants. Like we had a little issue off film where Haven got it stuck to her clothes.